Hello healthy fam, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own cold pressed carrot oil at home, and it is very simple, so sit back and enjoy. If this is your first time of stopping by, welcome to this channel, and please do not go anywhere until you have hit the subscribe button to join this healthy family, and don't forget to also hit the notification bell so as to be the first to see any of our new uploads whenever we make a new post. In starting the process of making this carrot oil, I got 3 fingers of carrots, and all I'm doing here is scraping it, and I use this multi-purpose cutter, and you can see that I just got just 3 fingers because I just wanted to make a little quantity of carrot oil. And after properly scraping and cleaning it all up, I went ahead to wash it. And then you can as well use as many as you want, but that would determine the amount of oil you want. So I just wanted carrot oil for just the little quantity. That was why I used this number of carrot, and I went ahead to grate it using the same multi-purpose cutter, and I made sure I used the rough part of it to grate the carrot, and this gave me a very nice looking mush that I actually wanted. So the result was why I used this particular grater. You can also use your blender, but ensure that when you are blending the carrot, you do not add any water content to it, and make sure you are even using a dried carrot. So what I did was, this carrot, you can see the result is exactly what I wanted. This carrot has been dried for some days. I had to take it under the sun and dry it so as to reduce the water content of the carrot. And after I grated it and I transferred the mush into a container that has a cover, so what I did was to go ahead to use my carrier oil, and I used olive oil as my carrier oil. And because of the quantity of carrots I grated, I am using 5 tablespoons of carrot. So it is the quantity of your carrot that will determine the number of tablespoons of the carrier oil you add to your carrot mush. And remember, this is a cold pressed carrot oil. You don't have to apply any heat to it, and you can see that the carrier oil has submerged the mush, and both of them have been incorporated. So I allowed it to sit for up to 48 hours, and voila, this is the result. And one of the things I also did that I would like to mention is that I placed this in the lower part of my fridge, because you are to leave it in a cool place, not a heat congested environment. So I placed it in my fridge, the lower part of it. And the next thing I'm going to do is to strain the carrot oil out of the mush using this manual sieve that I have, and I made sure I extracted every single oil out of this mush by using my spoon to press the mush for all of the carrot oil to come out, and they all came out nicely and easy. So guys, this is so easy, and you can practically do yours at home. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel till now, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please hit the subscribe button to join this healthy family, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up for this video to support what we do on this channel. And also, please do well to share this video with your friends and family if you find this video very helpful. So guys, you can see our carrot oil is all ready, and this carrot oil is super effective and does so many amazing wonders to your skin. It has anti-aging property, antibacterial and antifungal property. It helps you heal dry skin, it moisturizes your skin, it glows your skin, and it also helps protect your skin against sunburn. So guys, wouldn't you love to make your own carrot oil at home? So what I did was to transfer my carrot oil into a beautiful container that I had at home just for storage purposes. purposes. And when I was done, I made sure that I tried it on my skin to see the effect, and guys, it was so soothing and the aroma was pleasant. Guys, this is a must try for you. And if you're still wondering how to make your carrot oil, I'm sure that by now you should be able to do your own carrot cold pressed oil at home with just few carrots. Thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and blessed. Bye.